Hey guys, we're doing a makeup unboxing. If you want a promo code to get these lip glosses and lipsticks, stay tuned. Hey y'all, it's Kel, back with another one. If you haven't already, like, comment, share, subscribe to the video you were able to do. If you're new, welcome. The girls are growing, the girls are showing. And today we got another sponsorship. So this is from Silken Galore, the luxury collection. So the box is really cute. I love this, and it's not a sticker. It's actually like, you know, put on there. Also, what do you guys think about my Hailey Bieber nails? But anyways, I'm getting ready to go to dinner, so that's why I'm dressed up like this. But hopefully I'm cute. But yeah, the box is cute. Hashtag Silken Galore. They have a Instagram, and it says your luxury lips have arrived. So yeah, but let's see what we got. Ooh, so yeah, this first one is called Confident, which the girls have to be confident to wear this color. But let's take a look. Can y'all see? I feel like my lighting is not good. Let's do this. Up. That's one small swipe. So I'm really trying to hold back from putting this on my lips today. I'm gonna just look at all of them first. But this one is really cute. That is Confident. And so guys, there is a lip liner that she provided me. That's what's on my lips right there. But this color is everything. I love the orange. I love how silky smooth it glided on. I love the color payoff. It is gorgeous. Yes. This is Confident. Let me know what you guys think about this color in the comments. Then this next one is called Driven. And it's a cute little Barbie pink. If you guys are still doing your Barbie things, Barbie tangs, this would be a really cute, ooh. And I think, yeah, these are all matte lipsticks. These are not glosses, these are matte lipsticks. But there are glosses that come with it. She has lipsticks and glosses. Y'all, what? It's so bright. Oh yeah. Here I am swatching this one, trying it on. So silky smooth, and I barely put any on and I get so much color. This is another gorgeous color. Just put your lip liner on and you got it, sis. What am I gonna wear today? This is the question. When I spoke with the creator of this brand, she had like different themes for different lines. And I think that these are all a part of like a empowerment, like woman empowerment line. So these all kind of go together in the same thing. But this one is called Focused, and it's like a little like mauve. This is really cute. This will be good for fall. All the fall girl. The pigment is egregious. I don't understand. Like, I'm barely touching my hand and this is what I get. So let's focus in on Focus, because this is going to be a really good fall color. I love a good plummy, good like just every day. And I feel like this would be a cute little, like, not every day because I don't really wear lipstick every day, but this is a good color for the girls who wear lipstick all the time. This next one is called Coco. She's in the box. Ooh, yeah, Coco's cute. This would be like a good, like, just muted lip. Let me see. Yeah, you could put some like dark brown lip liner on. I'm gonna do it later, but I just wanted to swatch them before I head out. That is gorgeous. Like, what? I hope y'all can see the real color payoff. I don't know, but y'all will see it when I put on. You guys know that I love browns. I love like earth tones on my lips. And it's not because, you know, I have big or more like full lips. It's just like, you don't really have to do much and you get that. Like, look at the smile. Teeth look whiter. Muted lip. That's cute. The different swatches and stuff. But so far, this is impressive. All right. Oh. They give me a little lash thing for applying your falsies. That's cute. Thanks, Silken. It's cute. It's gold. Yeah, I like this. I mean, little gift, you know. And then, oh, I guess this is the real tea. She wrapped it up so nicely. It says, "Silk me, please. Silk me down." Yeah, let me see. I wanna. Okay. Okay. So I got a lip liner, brownie, and then, which is good. Then I have Latte, Babe, the rough, and then Hershey. So let's see. All right, so I think I'm going to just go ahead and put this lip liner on because I feel like it's gonna be a brown because it's brownie. Oh, I ain't never had lip liner come like this. Usually it's like a little triangle that's in there that holds it in place. But this is cute. Silken Galore. She really did her thing, honestly, because what? And she only, I think she only does, yeah, she does like lip liners, matte lipsticks, lip gloss, and then she also does wholesale too. So if like you want to do like a gloss of your own or whatever, yeah. But I already put my lip plumper on. It's been a little minute, so it's probably not plump no more. But I'm gonna try this on. It's cute. It's giving full. It's definitely giving brownie. Love this. It's going in my purse tonight. Let's start swatching. Latte. Excited to see what this is gonna look like. Ooh, that's the glass. This is really cute. This is what I'm wearing today. Simply.
You guys, I've been waiting for a lip gloss color like this. I mean, they have them, but I just haven't gotten one yet. And I'm so glad that it came in this box. Like, the proof's in the pudding. You can see what this looks like. And I definitely did wear that color out that night. So, yeah, I enjoy it. It's gorgeous. The formula for the lip glosses are very smooth. Like, it just sinks into your lips. It doesn't really sit on top of them. And you don't feel like, you feel moisturized. So, I love it.
Latte is it. Latte is what we're going to wear tonight. Let me just make sure. This one is Barb. This is a gloss. Very cute. So, oh my goodness. Ooh. I'm glad she did make me run up a check on all these colors because I'll be the first one to buy. Like, look, this is a gloss. These are both glosses.
Okay, so I'm not gonna lie. I put on a little bit of lip liner and a lot of Barb, and it shows. But nevertheless, this is a really, really cute color, and it'd be a really cute like pop of pink. There are also specks of purple glitter in it, so yeah, it's so cute.
And I barely touched. Okay. Last but not least is Hershey. This is Hershey, and I feel like you wouldn't even really need a liner with this. Let me do it up here. Oh my. Egregious. This is so cute.
Hershey is everything. Look at that, y'all. It's super cute. Y'all not gonna be able to handle me this fall.
Y'all, first of all, the look is just looking. But this lid, I can't even. Let me see if I can see it like this. I cannot. Like, this is so... How do I do this? Okay. This is a nice lip. It's very cute. It's very subtle. And the gloss is like really like... It's not just sitting on my lips, but it's sinking into them. Okay. Latte and brownie, which is... I'm going to keep this with me all night because... Like, got a little shoe on. It's cute. But anyways, like, comment, share, subscribe if this is your first time here. Let me know what you think about this video and what you want to see more of. Make sure that you use my promo code, this right here, so you can get your percentage off. And yeah, that's everything. You know I don't do long videos or intros. We get straight to it. Look at these colors, y'all. Go and get Silken Galore and use your promo code so you can try it out. Period. As always, I love you. Jesus loves you. Jesus is doing amazing things. He's so good. Put your faith and your trust in him and see what happens. And that's it. I'll see y'all next one. Bye.